Chris Evans' net worth has soared to new heights, reaching $80 million. He has spent a huge amount of his wealth building an impressive real estate portfolio. One of his luxurious mansions is located in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, and it is an ultra-luxurious mega mansion that people can only dream of living in. But how does Chris Evans' mega mansion look from the inside? And what are some of the unique features of the mansion? Let's find out! When Chris is not on the set of Avengers, he is probably in the hot steam shower of his Beverly Hills mansion. Besides a hot steam shower, there is a freestanding tub in the master suite. The master suite bathroom is made from Calcutta marble and limestone. Now, you might be curious about the rest of the amazing mansion. Don't worry, we are about to share everything. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you a look inside Chris Evans' $3.5 million Los Angeles mansion. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Chris Evans owns a mesmerizing apartment in Boston and a home in Hollywood Hills, which are worth $1.67 million. But his Beverly Hills mansion is the most expensive and luxurious. Chris Evans boasts immense wealth, and he acquired most of his acclaim and fame by working in many lead roles in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. He spends much of his earnings on growing and maintaining his luxurious collections of mind-blowing cars, real estate properties, bikes, and customized clothes. Over the past years, Chris Evans has invested heavily in real estate. One of his properties is in Beverly Hills and costs around $3.5 million. Chris bought this luxurious mansion a few years after he was cast in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It is a fantastic mansion, which has wooden floors, a large kitchen, and 3 bedrooms. The mansion also has a master suite with a large window that offers a glamorous view of Beverly Hills. The outdoor area of the mansion consists of a patio with a fireplace. Chris is also an expert in cooking, and he practices his cooking skills in the gourmet chef's kitchen with Wolf appliances, marble countertops, and a built-in Miele coffee maker. I am someone who prefers to be at home, so I do not feel the urge to go outside every day. The vast majority of my free time now goes to reading books and to Dodger. Chris Evans told Antwerp-based online publication Het Latest News. This Laurel Canyon estate was initially built in 1940, and it looks like the previous owner of the mansion made a wise investment as he bought it for just $1.9 million, made some major renovations, and sold it to Chris Evans for $3.5 million. According to property records, the superhero actor fought in a bit of a bidding war. Evans paid the extra $20,000 to ensure the updated 1940-built home was his. Now, other than Chris and his girlfriend, who else lives in the Beverly Hills mansion? You're about to find out. We're also sharing the most wonderful features of the house, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The mansion covers 4,600 square feet. It is a gated traditional style home surrounded by walls that allow Chris to enjoy some privacy, but at the same time, a glamorous view of Beverly Hills. According to the Redfin listing, the mansion also consists of a spa, a staff room, and a big garden. Other than Chris and his girlfriend, his faithful dog, Dodger, also lives with them at the mansion. Chris takes Dodger everywhere he goes, and Dodger has even been spotted once on the set of Captain America. Chris previously moved to Boston and spent quite a while there, so is the Beverly Hills mansion abandoned? While this is a stunning mansion, we recently got some reports that Captain America abandoned it to live in his home in Boston. But he admitted that he loves his Beverly Hills home more than his other mansions, and he is living in Boston for work. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about Chris Evans' $3.5 million Los Angeles mansion? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.